Narcissists are people who take great pride in themselves. They see themselves as superior to others and demand constant admiration and attention. To know what makes a narcissist sad, you have to think about what makes them happy, and do the opposite. Here are 10 things that make narcissists sad. Number 1. Being ignored and neglected. One thing that can sadden a narcissist is being ignored or neglected. They thrive on attention and admiration, so it's no surprise that being ignored or neglected makes them feel lonely. This can happen if you decide to stop doing things with them or stop responding to their messages or calls, etc. Narcissists are so obsessed with themselves that they can't handle being ignored by anyone else. If they think someone is ignoring them, it confirms their deepest fear. No one cares about them. When you ignore or neglect them, it's like a slap in the face. Narcissists feel like they don't matter and are not important enough to you. Number 2. Being rejected and criticized. One of the most common things that sadden a narcissist is being rejected and criticized. A narcissistic personality disorder is characterized by a lack of empathy for others and an inability to handle criticism or rejection. Narcissists often spend a lot of time working on being more attractive to get the love and attention they need. Being rejected is especially painful because it threatens their identity and self-worth. Narcissists are very sensitive people who take things personally, so they are likely to get upset when someone disagrees with them or criticizes their opinion or behavior. They interpret negative feedback as a personal attack and are quick to shut down or lash out at their critics. Number 3. Seeing other people succeed. Narcissists are used to being the center of attention and don't like sharing the spotlight with anyone else. Narcissists are competitive and strive to be the best at whatever they do. They are especially sensitive to having their accomplishments overshadowed by others. Narcissists want to be the best and often demean others to feel better about themselves. Seeing someone else succeed can make them feel inadequate. It can be a painful reminder of how they have failed to accomplish as much. Number 4. Not getting enough attention and praise. Narcissists live for the praise and attention they get from others. Narcissists can't stand it when other people get attention and recognition because that's how they measure their worth. A narcissist needs attention and praise to feel good about themselves. They expect to be praised for every little thing they do. They want to be seen as the best, most intelligent, most attractive person in the room. Because of their very high standards for themselves, they think they deserve all the admiration in the world. A narcissist will say, "I need people to tell me how great I am all the time. If they don't, it means they don't love me." When they're not getting the attention or praise that they think they deserve, it can make them feel like their whole world is falling apart. Number 5. Not being able to control and manipulate others. Narcissistic people are constantly seeking power, control, and domination over others. Narcissists need to feel in control of every situation. When they can't, they feel powerless, which they avoid at all costs. Narcissists are people who believe they are superior to others and deserve special treatment. They feel entitled to get their way all the time. When this doesn't happen, it can be very disappointing because it means they aren't as special or unique as they thought. Narcissists are never satisfied with just being able to have what they want in life. They also want to control how it happens and who makes it happen for them. Anything that threatens their ability to control others will be met with resistance. Number 6. People not reaffirming their sense of importance. Narcissists are people who have a strong sense of their importance. They need to be regularly reaffirmed in that sense of importance, or they will feel sad or worthless. Not reaffirming their importance can take the form of not reacting or saying anything back when they share their accomplishments or achievements. Narcissists love to be reminded of how important they are. They might try to get this affirmation from other people, friends, family members, and coworkers. Narcissists need to be validated by others, and they will go to great lengths to get that. Complimenting them and asking for their advice and opinions can make them feel like the most crucial person in the room. You can also tell them how much you appreciate their advice or input on things and ask them questions that show you want to hear what they have to say. Number 7. Having to confront their insecurity and inadequacy. Narcissists live in an idealized world where they're always the best and most loved. Narcissists can become highly uncomfortable when pushed to confront their insecurity and inadequacy. They'll do everything in their power to avoid it. They'll lash out at you or avoid discussing the issue. Suppose you ever catch a narcissist off guard with a question about their flaws. In that case, they'll probably try to get away from you as quickly as possible or pretend they don't know what you're talking about. It can be challenging for narcissists to accept that they have made mistakes or aren't perfect. They may feel insecure or embarrassed about certain things in their lives or their pasts. Still, they don't want to talk about those things because it would mean admitting they're not perfect. So instead of dealing with those things directly, they project onto others and blame others for their mistakes and failures. Number 8. Hearing nasty rumors about themselves. Narcissists are always worried about what other people think of them. Narcissists are very sensitive to nasty rumors and gossip about themselves. They're constantly trying to ensure that their image is just right and that everyone thinks they're perfect. When a narcissist hears people talking about them negatively behind their backs, it can devastate them. Most of the time, that lousy rumor might even be true. But even if it's not, the narcissist will still internalize it as accurate. Then they'll feel wrong about what other people think of them. Number 9. Not getting what they want. Narcissists want everything to go their way. It can be very upsetting when things don't go their way, especially if they've tried hard to make things happen on their terms. They have a hard time accepting that some people just aren't going to do what they want them to do. Control is power, and power is security, and narcissists need both. If you don't give them what they want, you're not giving them any sense of security or mastery over their lives. The narcissist will start to feel insecure and anxious, which is not something they want. If that happens too often, they may feel they deserve more than they get in life, leaving them unfulfilled. Number 10. Losing their supply. Losing their supply is one of the things that saddens a narcissist. Narcissists are emotionally immature, which means they have trouble forming deep emotional attachments. For narcissists to love, they need to have an endless supply of people who provide them with attention and admiration. Without this supply, the narcissist feels empty, sad, and lonely. Narcissists need their supply to survive. Without that supply, their entire identity disappears along with it. Narcissists have to have their ego regularly fed by the admiration of others, or else they start to feel empty and hollow inside. They lead unhealthy, destructive lifestyles and can be pretty demanding. Narcissists are not the easiest people to deal with. Narcissists have a lot of negative feelings about themselves. They need others to make them feel better about themselves. Narcissists can be cruel, but they also have their vulnerabilities. If you want to inflict pain on narcissists and watch them suffer, don't worry about smacking them around or taking advantage of their vulnerabilities. Just use one of these 10 things listed. Did you find this video interesting? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. It helps us a lot. Watch this next video over here.